Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Shelby.
And I'm Laura.
And we're back with another day for our jewelry advent calendar.
Yay! Okay, day 11. I think it's your turn.
Mm-hmm.
There it is, right in the corner. I think we both found it at the same time. Oh, we were both wrong!
Ooh, it's a company of the blue one.
We both thought it would be a charm today, and it's a spacer.
It's very pretty, though.
Yeah, it is.
It's like the pink. It's like the blue one, but pink. The blue one, but pink. Yeah, that's very descriptive.
Yeah.
Like the first one that we got.
It's kind of sparkly. It's pretty. I like. All right, so which one are you going to want?
I mean, it's not a charm bracelet without all the charms, so.
Oh, we can't decide yet, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I know which one you're leaning towards.
Which one?
You're going for the pink one.
I would want the full bracelet.
Oh, you want the full bracelet. You want all of them?
That's the point of a charm bracelet, Mom.
I thought we were going to share.
There's only one bracelet.
Oh. Okay, there's definitely going to be a girl fight going on.
It comes with a necklace.
Oh. Okay. So, I get the necklace?
I don't know, actually. It doesn't actually say, but it says on the packaging. Anyway.
Which we got rid of the packaging. Ha ha ha. Now we don't know. It's a surprise.
Yay!
We hope you've liked. We hope you've enjoyed. We're being a little silly, but having a lot of fun. You getting to see me interact with my girl.
Yay!
Yay! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the bell so you're notified when we have more videos. And most importantly,
Come back.
don't forget to come back. We'll see you next time right here at
Crazy Dave's Crew.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!